Welcome back to e-learning for Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to add and format caption elements. The two tables you inserted on the page contain different information, but don't feature any differentiating labels or titles. To help users distinguish between the two sets of data, let's add a title to each and a bit of extra spacing. The caption element was designed to identify the content of HTML tables. This element is inserted as a child of the table element. Insert the cursor in the first table. Select the table tag selector. Switch to code view. By selecting the table in design view, Dreamweaver automatically highlights the code in the code view, making it easier to find. Locate the opening table tag. Insert the cursor directly after this tag. Type caption or select it from the code hinting menu when it appears. Just type caption. Just type 2012 to 13 event schedule. And then type slash to close the element. Switch to design view. The caption is complete and inserted as a child element of the table. I'm going to repeat this 1 and 2 step for the second table. So I will choose the table, then switch to code view, and then just enter caption, and then 13 class schedule. The captions are relatively small and they're lost against the color and formatting the table. Let's beef them up a bit with a custom CSS rule. Insert the cursor in either caption and then click the new CSS rule. And the new CSS rule. Click the less specific. So that content section table caption in your main. Click OK. And in the type category, just enter 160% on the font size field. And then 1.2 in the line height field. And 1.2 in the line height field. Choose bold. Just choose bold and 90 in the color field. In the box category, just enter 20 pixel in the top margin field. And enter the 10 pixel only in the bottom padding field. Then click OK. Formatting the tables and the captions with CSS has made them much easier to read and understand. So, save all files. Then that's it.